We'll guide you through how to zoom in on CapCut for your video edits. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and go to the timeline where you've placed your video clip. Select the clip you want to edit by clicking on it. You'll notice a toolbar above the timeline. Look for the option labeled Edit and click on it. Once in the edit mode, you should see a zoom slider or an option that says Scale. Drag the slider to the right to zoom in on your video or adjust the scale percentage to your desired zoom level. As you do this, you'll see the preview window reflecting your changes in real time, helping you get the perfect zoom effect. If you want to zoom in on a specific part of the clip, position the playhead where you want the zoom to start and click on the keyframe button, which looks like a diamond shape. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom to end, adjust the zoom level again, and another keyframe will automatically be created. This creates a dynamic zoom effect, smoothly transitioning between the different zoom levels. If you need to reposition the zoom focus, simply click and drag the video frame in the preview window to center it on the desired area. Remember to play back your video to ensure the zoom effect looks just right. If you're working on a project that requires consistent zoom levels across multiple clips, you can copy and apply the same edits to other clips by selecting the first clip, right-clicking, and choosing Copy, then selecting the next clip, right-clicking, and selecting Paste Attributes. This saves time and maintains uniformity throughout your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.